January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Hello kids, let's learn month's name. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Blue, purple, red color, blue color, purple color. Very nice. Again purple color, white color and yellow color. Amazing! Wow! Again red color, white color and blue color. Well done! Oh wow! Now it's yellow color. Chips! Circle, star, star, circle, diamond, diamond, semicircle, semicircle, oval, oval. Oh. Raccoon, star, star, circle, circle, diamond, semicircle, semicircle, diamond, semicircle, oval, oval. Kids, now we will make cake for our mama. Brown chocolate, wow. Yellow cream. Now we will decorate it. Orange, orange, orange slice. Flowers, rose flower. Heart, heart shape. Wow, fabulous. Now we have 3 cherries. Now we have flowers. Beautiful 4 flowers. Dirty muffin. Clean muffin. Nicely done. Dirty radish. Clean radish. Welcome to ABC Kids World. Like, subscribe and share. Hello kids. Today I will tell you about body parts. Teeth. Touch your teeth. Tongue. Now touch your tongue. Lips. Touch your lips. Mouth. Open your mouth. Nose. Wow. Touch your nose. Ear. Touch your ear. Eyes. Blink your eyes. Chin. eyebrows. Count your eyebrows. 1 and 2. Hair. Wow, now touch your hair. Feet. Jump with your feet. Hands. Move your hands. Clap your hands. Belly button. Touch your belly button. Knees. Bend with your knees. Legs. Walk with your legs. Elbow. Move the elbow. Arm.
First. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Eighth. Ninth. 10th. 2. 1. 2. Fantastic! Blueberry. 1. 1. 1/10. 1/10. 1/10. 1/10. 1/10. 1/10. 1/10. 1/10. 1/10. 1/10. 1. 1. 4. 1. 2. 3. 4.
Help your friends get on the road. Put the funnies from the boxes into the right trailer. Pay attention to the funnies already sitting there. Banana. Good work. Who's heading off now? Cabin. Great. Which funny goes in this trailer? Egg. Well done. Who's heading off now? Ice cream. Congratulations, you did it!
A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D for dog, dog. E for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. I for igloo, igloo. J for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for line, line. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for no, no. O for octopus, octopus. P for pig, pig. Q for question, question. R is for rain, rain. S is for sun, sun. T for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X is for box, box. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo. Welcome to my channel ABC Kids World. A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D for dog, dog. E for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. I for igloo, igloo. J for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for line, line. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for no, no. O for octopus, octopus. P for pig, pig. Q for question, question. R is for rain, rain. S is for sun, sun. T for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X is for box, box. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo. Phonics song. A ant, alligator. B bat, book. C cloud, cake. D duck, drum. E ear, eyes. F frog, fairy. G grapes, gift. H, hand, heart. I, insect, iguana. J, jam, jelly. K, king, kite. L, lemon, line. M, moon, mitten. N, nose, nest. O, octopus, orange. P, pencil, piano. Q, quilt, quill. R, rainbow, ring. S, sun, snake. T, tree, truck. U, umbrella, uniform. V, violin, van. W, water, well. X, xylophone, x-ray. Y, yak, yellow. Z, ant, alligator. B, bat, book. C, cloud, cake. D, duck, drum. E, ear, eyes. F, frog, fairy. G, grapes, gift. H, hand, heart. I, insect, iguana. J, jam, jelly. K, king, kite. L, lemon, line. M, moon, mitten. N, nose, nest. O, octopus, orange. P, pencil, piano. Q, quilt, quill. R, rainbow, ring. S, sun, snake. T, tree, truck. U, umbrella, uniform. V, violin, van. W, water, well. X, xylophone, x-ray. Y, yak, yellow. Z, zebra, zoo. Kids, today we will learn about colors. Look here, purple color. Wow, pink color and blue color also. Here is white color and green color. Now we have brown color and yellow color. There is orange color and red color. Gray color and also black color. Now kids, practice and also identify colors here. Now check how many colors we have in this counting. How many apples? 3. How many bananas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 bananas. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again we have 9 balls. Count the teddies. 1, 2, 3 teddy. We have 3 teddy here. We have 1, 2, 3 cookies. Very good. Now how many kittens we have? 1, 2. 2 kittens. Very nice. Now how many dogs we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Count the apples. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 apples. Only 1 banana. Here we have only 1 banana. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls. We have 5 balls. Now we will count teddies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 teddies. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 cookies. Very good. How many kittens? 2 kittens. 1, 2. Very good. Only one puppy we have here. Now we will count apple. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am a little snowman. Look at me. These are my buttons. 1, 2, 3. These are my eyes, and this is my nose. I wear hat and scarf. It's cold. I am a little snowman. Look at me. These are my buttons. 1, 2, 3. These are my eyes, and this is my nose. I wear hat and scarf. It's cold. Me. These are my buttons. 1, 2, 3. These are my eyes, and this is my nose. I wear hat and scarf. It's cold.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
A apple, B ball, C cat, D dog, E eagle, F frog, G grapes, H hat, I ink, J jungle, K key, L lamp, M monkey, N net, O orange, P panda, Q queen, S snake, R rabbit, T turtle, U umbrella, V van, W wolf, X x-ray, Y U U Z zebra. A apple, B ball, C cat, D dog, E eagle, F frog, G grapes, H hat, I ink, J jungle, K key, L lamp, M monkey, N net, O orange, P panda, Q queen, S snake, R rabbit, T turtle, U umbrella, V van, W wolf, X x-ray, Y U U Z zebra. Hello kids, today we will learn about zoo animals. Monkey, camel, deer, bear, giraffe, panda, tiger, elephant, lion. Thank you.
Kangaroo. Aw. Otter. Nest. Yak. Gorilla. Awesome. Band. Sun. Jam. Web. Egg. Keep going. Net. Eggplant. Fan. Car. Umbrella. Keep it up. Sandwich. Toy. Vulture. Monkey. Ball. Awesome. Nose. Umbrella. Sandwich. Yacht. Ant. Keep going. Iguana. Vulture. Car. Fish. Yo-yo. Brilliant. Sandwich. Jaguar. Igloo. Pan. Robot. Wonderful. Road. Lemon. Volcano. Jam. Cake. Well done. Jam. Web. Fox. Hat. Girl. Awesome. Hat. Iguana. Vase. Goat. Awesome. Rose. Igloo. Quail.
Monkey. Camel. Deer. Bear. Giraffe. Panda. Tiger.